Yeah, you really think I'm gonna just put the 57 outside? Come on now. Jeff wanted to hear this thing, only it doesn't really sound that good. It's not very impressive. Pretty quiet. So it needs some exhaust. Is what it needs. But since you wanted to hear it, it needs a cam too. And yes, Tommy, this is Saturday. And it is now 7:41. And it is time to sand on the old El Camino. Maybe, or I could go back inside and sit on the couch. This tape you got, Tommy, actually works pretty good. I guess we do have those stores around here, but I haven't checked for tape. I'll have to go look. Jim says they don't have nothing. Good. Finish there tomorrow. Then cruise over it with 500 on the DA and it'll be ready. And here's some primer shrinkage for you. This is why you don't sand right away. And it will shrink more than this too. And that's why you don't use cheap primer. This isn't even the cheapest stuff out there, but yeah. Yep, that's it. Had to go change so I could put my car back inside. Pretty sad. I almost want to wipe this off, but I'm not going to.